to keep up, I'm falling further and further each day. How can I sleep when I always feel miles and miles?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Gilu's Kitchen. Guess what I'm gonna make for you today? Today I'm gonna make avoine. Sa nou rele avoine Haiti ya. Même bagi avoine régulier avoine nan la. Mwen gen ti avoine sa m'kon fè les map soti m'kon pran li mette nan ti bagay si m'beje manger. M'just fè de l'eau mette nan de l'eau chaud, manger li. Mais m'beje manger avoine kon ya la, m'pa gen l'autre la. So m'pral fè avoine ensemble avec li. Nou comment li gen 3 qualités avoine la den. Li gen 15 apple cinnamon, 27 maple brown sugar, and 10 cinnamon and spicy. So I'm gonna use one of them to make the avoine. I don't know which one I'm gonna get more. It seems like I have more on the apple cinnamon. So I'm gonna use the apple cinnamon to make the avoine, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. And I have half and half. We have some cinnamon stick and how do you call this one? God, I forgot the name of it. I forgot. Sanouele on étoile en Haiti. I forgot the name of it in English. So that's what we're gonna use to put on it. And I'm gonna need a little bit sugar because these are already have sugar on it, but it probably not enough because I'm doing a few of them. It probably not enough. If it's not enough, I'm gonna put a little bit sugar on it, and we're gonna eat it with some bread. So that's what we're gonna do. But in the meantime, let me just wash my hand real quick so we can get to the point. Okay. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna take the apple and cinnamon. I'm gonna do like, how many should I do? I'm gonna do like 8 of them. And as you can see, my water was already boiled. Usually when I'm doing it, I let it soak in cold water first, but I need it right now. I need it quick and fast. So I'm gonna just do it right now. I'm gonna put it in the stove. I'm gonna open it. This is 1, 4, 5, 6, 8 of them. Okay, so I'll just wash it. We'll capable. Oui. Et puis après ça, on va mettre l'autre bagaille là-dedans. Ok? Les points, on va retourner pour capable montrer comment ça est. Ok? Let's connect it. Now, okay, guys, we're gonna put the half and half and the avoine, okay? The heavy cream is so much better when you're doing it with the heavy cream. Okay? Nous allons quitter avoine let la pour let la capable faire creamy dans du feu. Nous allons mettre son du feu qui doux pour capable creamy. Okay? Stay tuned. We'll let you know how it is. Okay? Okay guys, I want to show you that anytime you're doing something sweet, you always need to put lemon peel on it. You give the sweet food good taste. So this is what I'm gonna put on the avoine, okay? If you're making chocolate, you're making avoine, you make whatever sweet stuff, you're making la bouillie, anything that you're making that's sweet, always put a pot citron là-dedans, ok? Pour le cabal bon goût. Et puis, l'elfin. Bon, make sure you take it out. If the food is not gonna be finished at the same day, if you're gonna have leftover, always take it out, because if you don't, the part that is sit on, it's gonna be sour, so you have to take it out. So I'm gonna put a little bit butter on it to give it good taste, and a little bit of vanilla extract. Okay, I'm gonna put that much on it. Okay, that much. Mommy, can you zoom? Okay, this is the avoine. You see how it is in the stove? It's getting creamy. I'm gonna let it for like 5 more minutes and it will be ready to eat. Okay? And we're gonna put a little bit vanilla extract. It's not extract, but still a sauce. That's what I'm gonna put a little bit on it. And what I was gonna put on it again. Yeah, I think that's the vanilla. And a little bit of salt. A little bit. Very, very, very small. When you're making like sweet stuff, you always need to put a pincée de sel on it. Okay, it's almost good. Like I said, if you have to do the regular avoine, if you want, you can soak it in cold water before you do it. That's if you want. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't do it. But the most one that I do when I'm making it, I put it in cold water. It's the big avoine. There is a big one. When you're doing it, you have to soak it, because if you don't soak it, it's gonna be coming mostly just the way it is. You have to give it a good soak before you do it, so you can get a good avoine. Other than that, the other one, if you don't want to, you don't have to. So like I said, this is what I had. I make it with it, but it's not the regular avoine that I usually do. And we're gonna eat it with some bread. You can make it for breakfast. You can make it for breakfast. You can do it like for supper too, like nighttime, if you feel like you want to eat something and you don't want to eat rice, like heavy food. This is a good thing to eat at nighttime. You either can eat it with bread or without bread. I want to eat it with bread, that's why I have bread, but it's not necessary. Okay? You can take it without the bread. Alright? It's almost ready. 5 more minutes, it will be ready. Okay? Stay tuned. I'll be back. Okay guys, the avoine is ready to eat. This is the avoine right here. You see how creamy it is? Looks so nice. And this is my bread. So the bread, I open it. It's up to you if you want to toast it or not. And it's up to you which one with inside of it. I have some butter and I have some peanut butter. You know what? I'm gonna use both because I want to taste both. So I'm gonna use it to spread on my bread to eat with my avoine. Okay? So I don't have to show you how to do this. You know how to do this already. So I just wanted to show you what I was gonna be using to eat with the avoine. It is so good. It is so yummy. You like it. You could do it nighttime if you don't want to eat rice. I know everybody loves to eat rice, but sometimes in the middle of the night it's too heavy. So if you can make a little something like that to eat, this is the best thing to do. It looks so good, it's so yummy, and it tastes see, so creamy. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and do not forget to put on your post notification, so anytime I post something you will be able to see it. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you for the next video. Ciao ciao.